Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to update Minecraft Java on Windows PC. I show you guys how to do it. Method 1, you just need to go to search menu and type store. Comes up Microsoft Store, click on open it. On left side select library. On right side select get updates. If you have any available update, this will automatically start updating. This will sure that your Minecraft Java is up to date. If any apps are getting updating, then you just need to wait until the apps are getting updated. After that, just to close stuff here. Method 2, you just need to go to search menu and type Xbox. Click on open it. On left side, select Minecraft launcher. On right side, select the three dot icon next to Minecraft launcher and select manage. Select files. Click on check for updates and this will check for any updates available. After updating it, just to close stuff here. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.